Hello everyone, myself Nikhil from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today I will be discussing on the subject Applied Chemistry for CSE stream. The topic is corrosion and electrode system. Corrosion. Definition of corrosion. A corrosion is the gradual deterioration of the metal caused by the action of air, moisture, or a chemical reaction on the surface. Example of the corrosion is rusting of the iron or the forming of brown flaky material on the iron objects when exposed to the moist air is the most common example of the metal corrosion. Types of corrosion. There are two types of the corrosion. That is, first one is dry corrosion and second one is the wet corrosion. Now let us discuss on the dry corrosion. When oxygen in the air reacts with the metal without the presence of a liquid is known as dry corrosion, or also we can call it as chemical corrosion. It is usually less harmful compared to the wet corrosion. Example of the dry corrosion is burning of magnesium ribbon to produce magnesium oxide. Equation of this example is magnesium reacting with the oxygen gives magnesium oxide. Second one is wet corrosion. It refers to the degradation or rust formation on a metal surface that occurs due to the generation of reactive or electrochemical cell. Here are the pictures of the wet corrosion. Wet corrosion can damage metal structures and equipment, including the stainless steel and etc. Example of the wet corrosion is corrosion of the iron in water to form rust. Equation of this example is Fe plus 4 times the iron plus 3 times the oxygen plus x times the water gives 2 times ferric oxide. Wet corrosion is explained on the basis of the electrochemical theory. Now let us discuss on the topic electrochemical theory of corrosion. According to the electrochemical theory, when a metal such as iron is exposed to the corrosive environment, the following changes occur. A large number of tiny galvanic cells with the anodic and cathodic regions are formed. At anode, the oxidation takes place in which the metal atoms are converted into their ions, liberating the electrons. Iron gives iron 2++ 2 electrons. Now let us discuss the cathode. At cathode, the cathodic reaction is based on the nature of the environment in the absence of oxygen. First one is in acidic medium, liberation of the hydrogen takes place. 2H++ 2 electrons gives hydrogen. Second one is in neutral or alkaline medium, hydroxide ions are formed with the simultaneous liberation of hydroxide ions. Water plus 2 times the electrons give rise to 2OH minus plus hydrogen in the presence of oxygen. First one is in acidic medium, the absorption of the oxygen takes place. The reaction is 4H++ O2 plus 4 electrons gives 2 times the water. In neutral or alkaline medium, hydroxide ions are formed. That is water reacting with oxygen plus electrons gives 4OH minus. Then the iron ions form anode combine with the hydroxyl ions from the cathode to form the iron hydroxide on the surface between the anode and the cathodic areas. Iron 2++ OH minus gives ferric hydroxide. Iron hydroxide further reacts with the oxygen and the water, forming the hydrated iron oxide. Forming hydrated iron oxide is the corrosion product. The equation is 4 ferric hydroxide plus oxygen plus 2 times the water gives rise to the 2 times Fe2O3.4H2O, which is called as rust. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and do comment. Thank you.